So in a contractual form, Jackson can say that he will not come back. He is still under contract. He is still our player. We are paying him currently until he sign his loan deal with Bayern Munich. There, Bayern Munich will cover his salary. But for now, Jackson is just a player today. Jackson is just a player tomorrow, and Jackson will be just a player tomorrow, next and next year and beyond. But ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, an update just came for our Nicolas Jackson. Jackson returning to Chelsea. Chelsea sent a message to Bayern Munich, and Chelsea sent a message to Nicolas Jackson to return. And also, Chelsea is weighing up on several options. If we can't bring Jackson back, Chelsea is weighing up to sign certain players to come and help Joao Pedro or to come and replace Liam Delap. So let's confirm it before we come and do the discussion, the analyzing. This is Chelsea message to Bayern Munich. If you believe in Nicolas Jackson, then maybe buy him or include an obligation to buy. This situation could change at any moment, so everyone stay connected and ready. And Nicolas Jackson agent also spoke out, guys. Diomasi Kamara said, speak out again. We are still hoping it will work. If we didn't have hope, we will not be here anymore. So guys, first of all, as we are speaking, Jackson is still in Munich, in Germany, upon Chelsea calling him back. But the issue is that Jackson agent said they are not coming back. The plane doesn't go back. He wanted his player to play for Bayern Munich, but Chelsea informed Bayern Munich that, okay, if you want Nicolas Jackson to play, then sign him permanent or it should be loan with obligation to buy. Jackson was traveling to Germany with loan with option to buy. But now, Chelsea informed Munich that Bayern Munich that if they want Nicolas Jackson to play for them, then it should be permanent transfer or obligation to buy and not the option to buy. But as we are speaking, it hasn't confirmed that whether Jackson will return or Jackson will not return. They are still working to find a solution. Jackson agent is working to find a solution for his player to play for Bayern Munich. And Chelsea is also working to find another solution. Whether Jackson will return and play for us or Chelsea will find a solution to sign certain strikers. And the options Chelsea are weighing up. First, Chelsea want to sign Sporting striker, Comrade Harder or Comrade Harder. And second, Chelsea is weighing up to see whether they should call McGill back from loan. He is in Sunderland on loan. Chelsea is weighing up. And another option Chelsea have is to sign Randall Kolo-Muani. Chelsea is weighing up to see whether they can sign Randall Kolo-Muani. Let's confirm them before we come and do the discussion or the better option for Chelsea. Chelsea discussed Randall Kolo-Muani, but he still wants to join Juventus. McGill return to Chelsea from Sunderland is one of the options for Chelsea. Talks to follow as the deal does not include a recall clause for this window. According to Record Portugal, Conrad Harder has rejected Chelsea and want to move to Leipzig instead because he will develop better there. So guys, let's talk about the first option. Chelsea want to sign a striker from Sporting, Conrad Harder. And he is 20 years of age, Denmark international. He was about to go to RB Leipzig. Leipzig was about to sign him. Then Chelsea entered into the transfer or Chelsea showed interest to sign him. And now it is looking like the player even want to join RB Leipzig because he felt that there he would develop more. So the first option is Chelsea to sign Sporting striker, their young striker, Comrade Harder. And it is looking like the deal may not happen. And the second option is calling McGill back on loan. And McGill calling back, there wasn't call back clause. When Chelsea sent him out on loan to Sunderland, there wasn't call back clause. So if Chelsea will call McGill back, Chelsea have to talk to Sunderland. They have to sit and discuss about it very well. Whether Chelsea will pay some fee or whether they will not pay the fee. Yes, so many things they have to deliberate about because there wasn't callback clause on McGill contract. Yes, he is low move to Sunderland. So guys, that is the second option. Chelsea calling McGill back from loan. And the third option is signing Randall Kolo-Muani. As we are speaking now, Juventus is working to sign him, and Chelsea see Kolumwane. Maybe he can come and replace Liam Delap, or he can come and help João Pedro, our clinical João Pedro, our efficiency João Pedro. So guys, these are the three options for our Chelsea. Guys, should Chelsea call Nicolas Jackson back? And for Nicolas Jackson call him back in a contractual way, he is still our player. Jackson is still under contract in Chelsea till 2033. So in a contractual form, Jackson can say that he will not come back. He is still under contract. He is still our player. We are paying him currently until he signs his loan deal with Bayern Munich. There, Bayern Munich will cover his salary. But for now, Jackson is Chelsea player today. Jackson is Chelsea player tomorrow, and Jackson will be Chelsea player tomorrow, next year and beyond. But let's see, because his agent is also finding a solution for Jackson to play for Munich for this season, stay on loan there. So the first option, should Chelsea call Nicolas Jackson back, or should Chelsea go and sign Comrade Hada, push and sign him, or should Chelsea call McGill back from the loan, or should Chelsea go and sign Randall Kolumwane, or should Chelsea do whatever they can do to sign another striker? Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this drama. And in fact, guys, Chelsea calling Nicolas Jackson back, I will say that for now, it is looking like the relationship has been broken. Chelsea and Nicolas Jackson. Now, we can say that Jackson man is no more to play for Chelsea, as he even rejected the call to come back. So Chelsea calling Nicolas Jackson back, even if he will come back, I will say that we are going to keep a happy player, because he already made his decision. I will not come back. So if Chelsea maybe force it for Nicolas Jackson to come back, as I said, the relationship has been broken already. So Jackson will be playing without being happy. And in that case, he can deliver. You can't keep a happy player. Even if you will keep a happy player, he will not deliver. We saw the saga with Isak. Isak even refused to play. This season, so many transfers are happening like that. Yes, teams and players. So Chelsea calling Nicolas Jackson back or forcing Nicolas Jackson to come back, he can't refuse. But when he come back, the relationship, will Nicolas Jackson be happy playing for Chelsea? And I don't want my Chelsea to be keeping a happy player. So first of all, for me, that is my issue about Chelsea calling Nicolas Jackson back. Maybe if it were to be that, the time Chelsea asked him to return back, he didn't argue like Chalobah owned. Chalobah understood. Chalobah wanted to play for Chelsea. Chalobah understood and came back to Chelsea. It isn't that Chelsea forced him back. Chalobah found his way and came back to Chelsea at that time. And this Jackson own is different. Jackson, he don't want to come back. So for me, I would say that maybe because of the relationship that has been broken, Jackson coming back, Charlie, it will be difficult. Even if he come back, he will not be happy. And the relationship between Jackson and the squad and Enzo Maresca, it won't be there. By the way, that is my thought on that, Nicolas Jackson coming back. And calling McGill back, can McGill come and do the work for us? Can he be our second striker and perform? Because maybe we didn't trust him at the beginning. That is why we loan him out to develop. Can he come and do the work for us? And Chelsea going to sign Randall Kolumwane. Will Kolumwane also be a good signing? And the striker Chelsea want to sign, Comrade Hada. Now information said that he don't even want to come to Chelsea. He see himself developing well at RB Leipzig. So guys, that is our Nicolas Jackson drama. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this as Chelsea fan. Yes, let me hear from you. And let's move to the next important big transfer, Fermin Lopez coming to Chelsea. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's confirm Fermin Lopez latest transfer from Chelsea Doggers or from Fabrizio. No breakthrough on Fermin Lopez. Still no decision. Barca still insists on their position that they don't want to sell. 35 million won't be enough, and they don't see this deal happening. The only way is for the player to go public and say, I want to leave. So guys, that is the transfer information for Fermin Lopez. Now Barcelona said that they are not selling Lopez unless the player go public and say that, okay, I want to join Chelsea. Okay, I want to play for Chelsea. There, they can't stop him from leaving. But for Barcelona, they are not selling him for now. untold Fermin Lopez agree personal terms with Chelsea. But for Chelsea, they already sent a proposal equivalent to 40 million to sign Fermin Lopez. Chelsea show full 100% interest to sign Fermin Lopez. So now we are all waiting to hear from the player whether he will agree to join Chelsea or not. And as I said, for Barcelona, they are not forcing him out. But if he come and tell them that, okay, Barca, I want to go to Chelsea. I want to come to Chelsea and win trophies. I want to come to Chelsea and win the Premier League this season. I want to come to Chelsea and win the Champions League as Alejandro Garnacho came, as Heto came, as so many players, Ja Pedro and Co came to win trophies in Chelsea. If Fermin Lopez go to Barcelona or go to Hansi Flick and tell them that, okay, they will start negotiation with Chelsea. Club-to-club talks will start. But for now, Fermin Lopez hasn't said anything. So we are waiting, yes, some few hours left for the transfer window to close. We are waiting whether Lopez will come out and say something or not about him coming to Chelsea. So guys, that is the latest information for Fermin Lopez. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this transfer. Do you think he will be a better signing? Do you think he will be a good signing for Chelsea? And our brothers, Manchester United, they are trying harder and harder to solve one of their biggest problems, their goalkeeping position. And now they are in talks with Aston Villa to sign Emiliano Martinez, Argentinian, the World Cup winner, plus Enzo Fernandez, plus Alejandro Garnacho. So as we are speaking, United already agreed personal terms with Emiliano Martinez to come and help them from their goalkeeping situation, their Onana situation, and Aston Villa also want to find a replacement before they let Martinez leave. So Manchester United, it is looking like they will sign Martinez at the end. And United, for now, for current solution, he can do it. Yes, Martinez will come and bring them or remove them from that disaster, their goalkeeping issue. In fact, I watched the penalty shootout against Grimsby. I wasn't happy for United. Yes, as a Chelsea fan, I don't want United's success. But the extent or the way and manner United is now going down, retrogressing, is becoming alarming. So for Martinez, he will come and remove them from that situation. But United scout, they have to work hard. They have to wake up. Maybe in January transfer window, they should start scouting for a young goalkeeper who had the potential. Martinez, the age is not by his side again. So he will be, let me say, current solution, current. But in the future, I don't think he will be there because, as I said, the age. So Martinez coming to United, we are wishing them all the best. Yes, we are rivals, doesn't mean we are enemies. So guys, these are the latest information from Chelsea camp and football world in general. And today I gave you another video. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. And don't forget to tell another Chelsea fan about this channel. And don't forget also to tell another football fan about this channel, Football Lions. And don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And don't forget to do what? Hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.